Welcome to the Data Fidelity webinar with JP Systems. I'm Jackie Mulrooney. Better data, better patient care, better outcomes. Through the VHA, we've helped over 211 partners representing 2,000 hospitals and 32,000 clinics to improve data fidelity and interoperability. Our proven success with stakeholder outreach for continuous quality improvement projects has brought us national recognition. JP Systems is recognized by the Sequoia Project and ONC as a U.S. thought leader in clinical data quality surveillance and improvement. An orchestra tunes itself to a very particular frequency, a note known as A440. The note is played by the oboist and the rest of the orchestra tunes their instruments to match. JP Systems tunes your data to international interoperability. Our data quality teams are comprised of pharmacists, nurses, terminologists, data standards experts, data architects, IT and business analysts, and interoperability experts. We provide many healthcare IT services, interoperability planning and roadmaps, data quality analysis, HL7, CDA, and FHIR consulting, terminology mapping, stakeholder engagement, HL7 standards improvement, and partner communication plans, as well as data quality improvement. Focus on data quality. Here's the questions we'll answer today. What is a CDA file? How do we improve data quality? Why is data quality so vital? How can data quality improve patient care? How does data quality support patient safety? How can you improve clinical workflows? First, what is the CDA file? CDA is a data standard for documents designed for the exchange of clinical data. Health Level 7 is the organization that has created these standards. CDA files are coded in extensible markup language, XML. Here's an example of a part of a CDA file. This in particular is a Cerner Transition of Care Referral Summary. The XML points to a specific terminology on line 34. We've expanded this line at the bottom so you can see how it references a terminology system. How can we improve data quality in clinical workflows? First, we obtain a statistically significant sample of data files. We identify current sources of hindrances to data quality. We conduct data reviews of internal and external partner data sources. We then provide clients with a list of tools to use and likely problem sources, such as a particular workflow source, a configuration problem, or a vendor app problem. How can we improve data quality in clinical workflows? We host virtual troubleshooting sessions with de-identified clinical data so you can trace the root of your problems. We examine the CDA fields to see if contents are in the right place. We verify CDA contents are compliant using HL7 standards and proprietary tooling we've developed, which examines CDA file sections. We verify that the correct terminologies are referenced. If there are missing terminologies, we identify those and add new standard terminologies for clarity. We have extensive experience using model-driven health tools for CCD, CDA analytic review, and the creation of summary clinical domain spreadsheets. We use proprietary tooling to perform domain-level analysis. We are adept at loading and reviewing thousands of CDA documents at a time. Why is data quality so vital? Data quality creates a trusted relationship between the clinician and the data. Clinicians become very frustrated when they continually are faced with bad data. It can cause them to quit and cause personnel loss if they burn out. Data quality allows healthcare enterprise applications to function optimally. Patient safety systems are able to work when data quality is there. Better patient outcomes and customer satisfactions result from proper data quality. In our services, we search for the 3M: missing data, misplaced data, and miscoded data. We prepare a data quality scorecard for you. We evaluate your current data, create a scorecard for the various domains, then we meet with you to make our recommendations for improvements. Once improvements are made, we rescore the data and provide a second report. We meet a second time with you and note the improvements that have been made and create another plan for mapping out the next step. The need for interoperability is always increasing. ONC's Trusted Exchange framework is built on a foundation of data quality assumptions. The qualified health information networks will have to meet certain qualifications under ONC's TEFCA. US CDI, the US Core Data for Interoperability, has standardized code sets and a standards harmonization process. Interoperability builds a more complete and accurate patient record, which can lead to better care coordination, improved patient safety, and improved population health reporting. Data analytics and research will be more accurate as the data becomes more and more reliable. How can data quality improve patient care? The 3 R's: relevance, robustness, and avoiding repercussions. Data is utilized throughout an entire healthcare enterprise. Clinicians need a holistic data view. Robust. Standardized data lowers the risk of ingestion problems. Repercussions. Patient safety risks, sentinel events, and duplication of services are all risks for bad data quality. How can data quality improve patient safety? Reliable, interoperable data reduces the risk of bad outcomes through accurate diagnoses and subsequent treatments. How can you improve clinical workflows? When terminologies are used correctly and the data is reliable, artificial intelligence is then empowered to reason over the data and reach useful, proper conclusions. Artificial intelligence can even analyze work treatment plans from nurses to help balance nursing workloads and produce many other cost-saving measures. Data quality is a bridge to using artificial intelligence effectively. How can you reduce risk to workflows? How does risk enter? For providers, risk comes in during transitions of care. It is the same for data. Risks come in when it is transmitted from provider to provider. Properly interoperable data reduces risks encountered during ingestion into another system. DQ Doctor Services. For standardized clinical terminologies, we provide terminology planning services. We also provide terminology mapping services. We can match your local terms to international standard terminologies to enable data exchanges with precise meanings. We also provide FHIR consulting. FHIR has its own standardized vocabulary for information exchange. We can map your vocabulary to FHIR's vocabulary. And then finally, if you need a standard that's not currently out in the international standards world, we can establish a new standard for you or improve an existing one to tailor it to you. We voice our clients' needs through the HL7 ballot process. Better data is realized when our teams of both healthcare IT experts and clinicians work with your team. Better patient care is achieved when clinical data is complete and accurate. Better outcomes result when clinical decision support systems and patient safety systems use reliable and standardized data. Here's our Contact Us page. Successful healthcare IT services require both technical and clinical subject matter experts. We're your best choice for the complexities of data quality improvement and interoperability. JP Systems webpage is at jpsys.com. The Data Quality Doctor page is dqdoc.com. For more information on healthcare IT interoperability, please see healthcareitinteroperability.com. For questions on this presentation, please contact us by email at sales@jpsys.com, jpsys.com, and you can reach us for federal sales at 703-973-0305, or for commercial sales, call me, Jackie Mulrooney, at 703-926-5539. Thank you for joining us for this data quality webinar.